Well, that train ride didn't last very long. I actually hopped on it over at the bridge, and then it was passing the Bethlehem Steel Event Center. And I was hoping it just kept going, but she stopped. Cannot resist climbing smokestacks. I see one, it has a ladder on the side of it that's exposed. I just can't say no. What's cool about this one is the ladder comes all the way up until about, oh, I don't know, 5 feet from the top, and then you have to reach up and grab the rim of the concrete.